All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is the money. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the coop. Touch me, I'll shoot.
Hello beautiful angels, today I'm going to go over this beauty. So this is Blood Money palette from Jeffree Star, and I'm going to create this eye look during this video. And also there is going to be the giveaway winner announcement for the Jeffree Star Winter Mystery Box mini giveaway. And if you're here for the giveaway, then forward to this timestamp. And before we dive in, I would like to thank each and every one of you for a really good response, and I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for your support, and I really mean it from the bottom of my heart. And good luck for you guys. Now let's dive in. So this is how it came. Here is the packaging, and it has got like $100 bill kind of packaging. That's really the bomb. This is how it looks. Cute. Here is keys. So this is how it looks. Wow, it says like blood money in here. I love it so much. It looks like a trunk, like this box, and here this, all of it, it looks like a trunk. So I just need to press it and open. So this is how it looks. Wow, that's just so pretty. I love it so much. That's the color story. It looks so pretty, you guys. I'm just amazed. I thought like most of the colors would be green, but no, I was wrong. So it has like 3 shades of green, and remaining are like kind of glittery ones. It has got all sort of different colors, not just green. So I kind of like this color story, in fact. So this is how it looks. So I thought like all of these would be like greens, but this is green, this is green, this one is kind of light green, and this is like glitter. But these, all of these are not greens. All of these are not greens, so which is good. About this palette, Blood Money palette, welcome to the 4th edition of our iconic blood palette series. Blood Money, playing with poisonous greens, rich duochromes and neutrals, presented in high-end fox alligator skin trunk with an brushed gold metal clasp fit for expensive taste. This palette is serving our luxury formulas of matte, metallic, and foil, and extreme wet. It has got the matte shades of mint condition and chameleon fetish, make it rain, crocodile tears, equity, heavy weighted, jade, private island, self-made, and matte with sprinkle, black card limit, and metallic, divine intervention, poison ivy, CEO, emerald estate, tax-free, and secret stash, and extreme wet is money heist. Alright, so and this one retails for $52. Crocodile tears, I'm just going to apply that to my crease, more like a winged kind of thing. I'm just like patting the color. This is the shape that I'm looking at. I'm going to blend that in with this chameleon fetish, just blending those sharp edges. So usually to give that wing, so what I do is I just bend it like this and just draw. This is how it's looking so far. Now I want to intensify the crease before I cut crease with kind of dark color. Maybe I want to go in is the persuasion. Just intensifying that crease. Apply the color to my cut crease. Poison ivy. And if you see, so far no fallout at all, which is a good sign. Crocodile tears to my lower lash, but this I want to do like in a different eye look, not the same eye look. Black card limit. I'm afraid that I might have fall off, so just packing this color. I'm going for same kind of wing. Of that black card limit, I want to go in with this. So this is the Emerald Estate. And I'm going to blend these two colors. Apply this beauty. So this is the CEO to my inner corner. And I'm just taking it a little bit higher, not just the inner corner. For this black, I did like on top of the black, I did apply the Emerald Estate, just like tapping here and there to give me that greenish kind of black kind of look that I was going for. So this is how it looks. Dye the same color to my lower lash. So I'm going to put on my lashes and I'll be back. I'm going to go in with this Jeffree Star's Family Jewel. So this is the color. The gloss, and this is a beaded glass just to my lower lip. So this is what I am looking at. Alright guys, time for the winner, and now let's see. Look, these are the finalists. So that is Doris, Sarah 23 and Rabina Eliga, and please excuse me if I'm saying your names wrong, I'm so sorry, and Molly Tennant, Ashley, and Muran, Melly G. So these are all the finalist names that I got, and if you were like active, then they are like bonus entry. So now time to spin the wheel. I'm more excited and more nervous both at the same time, more than you guys. But before I spin the wheel, a big shout out to all my subscribers. I love you guys so much, and you guys means a lot to me. Now let's spin the wheel. You guys are ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Who's the winner? Doris, Sarah 23, Rabina, Eliga, Molly Tennant. Woohoo! It's Molly Tennant. Congrats, and thank you each and everyone for participating in this giveaway, and I promise there is going to be like future giveaways too, so stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much it guys for today. Hope you had fun, and if you did, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.